considerable bit better on the front half. I could video this whole thing, but problem is I'm doing this with a tablet and it's not set up for a tripod or anything, so you're presently being propped up on a tailgate leaned up against the porch. But you can see just how grody she was. This thing, you guys. Okay, so you don't know what he's doing. That's okay. This car is still very solid. I mean, there's no serious rust. It's starting to speck up some. And I never wanted to paint this car because I love its history. This door and fender has been replaced and quickly repainted to put her back in service at one point in her life. And you can tell the color difference. And it's starting to look pretty rough. She may end up getting a new coat of ivory or whatever color this is. And any of you that are interested may also wonder, 8-Ball, what are you doing with a rollback? Excuse me, coughing up a lung. I know, I need to throw these away. The rollback here, 92 F450, also came from the same person that the Diplomat came from. My good friend Jason Belt, Belt's Towing. He has a YouTube channel, hasn't posted in a while on it, but he's still around, he's still alive, he's still doing Jason Belt things. And I'm still cherishing the old Diplomat and my newly found rollback, which we did a little body work on the days. You can see I got a shiny fender and a dull door because my paint got messed up, and the rest of the front clip looks horrible. But that's okay. I don't intend on leaving this thing solid black anyway. Something will be done eventually, but right now, looks ain't important. She runs good. 7.3 IDI 5-speed. I do believe this is a Jerr-Dan 20-footer on it, and it works good. And it makes life around here a lot easier. So, that's where we're at, guys. I'm going to sign out here, finish washing this Diplomat, and put her back in dry storage for a little while. Yeah, later.